be a bad idea, but what up? YouTube, what up, Lavish Empire? I'm over here with the Subaru driving. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. There we go. I don't have the screen up. But it is snowing here in Virginia Beach, and it's snowing a lot, man. I don't know if you can tell through the camera, but it's a lot. Like, way a lot. But I'm in a Subaru, an STI. Going pretty good. Look, red light. Fuck it, man. Like, fuck it. Oh, green light right when I got here. You good? Going up to the highway, see how that goes. Give me a second. On the highway, there is a lot of cars here. Like, camera's not focusing. But there's a lot of cars. A goddamn blizzard out here. Oh man. Dangerous. It looks pretty though. Friend! Middle of the night friend! Got some friends up here, guys. Rolling deep. Okay, I have to try to get on that side, and there's like, you know, like when you drive in the snow, the cars make a path, and then where the cars don't pass, there's no path, like the snow just piles up right there. Well, that's that right there. And it may not look much in camera, but it is. I have to try to, holy fucking shit, this truck. And the fucking trucks are the most assholes out of all, like this faggot right here. Anyways, I have to try to plow through that right now. There's no cars coming, so wish me luck, guys. I made it. You know, middle of the snow, you know, you gotta return that red box. Fuck no. Only because it's snowing doesn't mean I'm gonna get charged more. Shit. Look at the beauty over there, though. Focus. Okay, there we go. All right, cool. Damn, look at that. Look at it. It looks like a beast. Subaru in its natural habitat. Before I go, let me have a little walk around. Backing up. Backing up. Backing up. Currently the second day of snow day number 2. Yo, I'm stacked up right now. I got my underwear. I got this one, you know, winter pants things. I got my pajamas, and I got my dicky pants. And here I got 2 shirts, a sweater, a coat, and then this coat. I'm about to be warm. About to be warm as out there. All right. Oh shit. We out here checking out my other car. It's not that bad. It's Tahim. All the way I was gonna go to his house, but it's deep as hell going that way. It's like, it's just too much. So he's coming my way. See, that's why when I came over here, I was like, nah. You got snow boots and everything.
No, these are rain boots.
Rain boots.
Yeah, it works.
Yeah.
What's up, yo?
How you got everything except gloves?
Yeah, I know.
I see your car down there.
This guy.
This is fucking stupid.
Oh shit.
Get down, your mom's gonna kill you. It's ice.
Yeah, get it, Willie. You're doing great. You're doing great.
You're doing good. You were doing good.
He did not get rid of any snow at all.
You vape, bro? You vape?
Hold on. Look.
That was us back then.
I know.
Yo, I swear, I'm trying to fucking get pulled behind a sled.
We need a all-wheel drive.
That was us back then. It's kids. What's up? We would be rolling like.
Bro, we had like 20 deep. Just walking through.
Remember when we had that snowball fight though? It was like 50 of us. Like people from other neighborhoods
It was like
came.
3 neighborhoods come out, and we had like a big old snowball fight.
The Tims are ruined.
No.
Not the Tims.
Okay, guys. It's a very shitty day, but we gotta make. But we gotta make do.
Oh my god.
Air fuel ratio gauge install. Oh.
What you doing, Tiny?
Installing my AFR in the fucking freezing cold. But that's how we do around here.
Yeah. Well, you. You're the only one in the neighborhood. Or
That
Virginia
fucking
Beach
works.
probably working on the car.
I mean, hey, I got to. You know, it's like
My fingers frozen.
Even though this car's gonna be sitting for like a week.
yeah.
We can see things we normally can't though with the height advantage.
Oh,
Okay.
so cool.
Cool.
Oh shit.
You just sit your hand.
Yeah, it's so cold.
You want my gloves?
That fucking hurt.
No.
Jesus fucking Christ, bro. I need to get away from the curb. I keep falling. Okay. I can't front flip though.
Just jump.
Just in the deep ass snow.
Tiny?
Oh no.
Yeah, you ready? I'm gonna go swimming.
He said he's gonna go swimming. Look at him. Look at him. Willie, what are you doing over here? What's this shit? My bitch is bad. Tiny, look.
Damn, son. Yeah, she got some big old.
Dumb, bro. You getting the nut, Tiny?
Huh?
Getting that nut?
Yeah, I'm getting this nut in.
Bust that nut.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, you see this bullshit I have to do? Look at this. This big ass monster wrench trying to get this nut in.
You had to
Out.
take apart the intake.
In.
Yeah,
Which
out.
took
Don't
apart.
get the nut in, get the nut out.
It's still not finger. Whoa.
Damn, bro, you broke my other glove.
How?
I'll pay for it.
No, that's cool. It's,
Oh yeah.
oh, yeah.
Oh Johnny. Oh Johnny.
Getting that nut out. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, God. What's the nut? Stop.
Bro, this shit was rusted. No wonder why it wasn't coming out. No.
Did you get it out?
Yeah.
Bruh.
That shit was fucked up.
You might have to rethread that hole, boy.
No, I was just rusted.
Got it.
Or not your intake.
Oh,
Manifold.
new parts. New parts.
Show you some of this.
Quality stuff.
Ah, the goodness.
It's just a good nut.
Nigga.
It's just a good nut.
Nigga. Oh yeah. Bing. Shiny. put that back. Because I got to go on the inside of the car now. Fucking wire this shit. No, actually, I don't got to go on the inside of the car. I got to go from the outside in. Because
Yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense. What are you doing? Behind me? Oh, he's gonna go fuck his bitch. This kid's Willie. This kid's. What's going on, Tahi? What up?
The hole that I was gonna use, basically taken up by my vacuum hose,
My hose.
and my power line for my amp. And I can't use it.
Yeah, it's all filled up. Goddamn hose.
Yeah, all the hoses,
Catch these hoe
Plug.
hands.
plugs, and the holes are plugged.
Hose all
Plug
plugged.
all the holes.
Fucking hose.
Holes.
Oh shit.
Willie's calling it.
Doctor. We need a doctor.
Is there a
He's
doctor
still
in
trying
the
to feed
building?
it through.
Bro, that wind is cold.
It's cold. My nose is dripping.
Yeah, we're in Alaska right now.
Day
Out
after
here in
tomorrow.
Alaska.
Day after tomorrow.
Alaska. We're used to this weather out here in Alaska.
Trying to feed it through. Then get it through here. And run it up here to his gauge.
You about to do? You're just gonna do this and then go in.
Don't forget to say bye to your bad bitch.
Bye, baby. Give me a kiss.
You just stomped her face. Pretty sure everybody around us is looking at us like, why are these guys working in the car right now?
Oh yeah.
Alright, Tahim finally fed the line through. So,
Yes, this is ghetto. I don't have things to work with. I can't fucking drive to the fucking store. So, yeah, just going ahead and do this for now. For now. Don't laugh. I just want this shit to work. Actually.
she's alive. But she's not going anywhere. Tahim's true heart and determination to finish this.
I got snot sickles, but I'm okay.
Not because everybody has gone in. That was shoveling. Everybody. We're the only ones out here. There's probably kids out
We
there.
were the first ones out here and the only ones
Yeah.
out here right now.
Okay. Cold. Tired. Hungry. This is day 3.
Day 3. No food.
No water. Oh, that cold start.
Wait. I don't think I calibrated it right.
Oh, come on, Johnny.
Son of a bitch.
And part 2 coming through. Cause I'm dying over here. Can't feel nothing on my way home. Ended up falling asleep coming home after that. And I was tired. Yeah, I took a good 2-hour nap. Alright, so that was my day for today. And last night of the snow day. Hope you guys, somewhat enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys were safe out there for the snow. But yeah. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Cool. Peace.